Please be advised of the disclaimers. Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's Pinnacle Trading here. We got a nice move on JNUG, that's JNUG from Friday. Very big move, $6-7 move on that one from Friday entry. Again, the course is going to be released this week before Christmas, most likely tomorrow. So watch this video right here. Make sure to join the waitlist on pinnacletrading.us website. And also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button. So let's jump into it, guys. So JNUG, JNUG is a ticker that's bullish for gold. And we traded that from 62.45 entry on Friday, all the way up to about 68.69 today. So about a $6 to $7 move on that one. Solid run up today, and let's jump into it and let's take a look at how I found this trade and why I took it and why I saw potential on Friday and why I alerted it and how we could have profited from it. So hope you all took this trade with me. If you're not in the chat room, make sure to join the chat room using link in description below. And I alerted this on Friday about 62.45. I saw that dip on Friday close. I saw a nice run up and then closed out with a drop. So I saw a nice opportunity to get back in, and I'll show you why in just a second. So I alerted at 62.45. I actually didn't post it in the alerts tab. I posted it in the gold oil section right over here. So we have a separate section for a gold, oil, and other ones, etc. So jumping into this, so I saw a nice point on this one on the 30-day chart, being that it was going up. So you see that huge spike up from there. So looking at the 180-day chart on this one, right now, pretty much it's just sideways on the up and down movement. So if we zoom in a little bit more, we can see that the support resistance is about 61, 62, and resistance is at about 70, 71 right over there. So 60 to 70 is that range that it's been trading recently, and I'm looking for it to break out over this week. Why? Because I'm looking for stock markets to sell off and also potentially enter a correction, which will put gold up, because a lot of people love to buy gold as a safe haven, quote unquote, which it's really not. And people just love to get in just as a hedge to markets or economy if it goes down, even though it's really not. But we have to anticipate how other traders trade and how other people think for us to make money off of them. So what happened, I looked at the Fibonacci chart, and this is free in the chat room. If you don't have the script, head over to the education section, and I have the Pinnacle Fib, that's a Fibonacci study. So just click on that right there, download it, and then if you go down here, I have a description on how to actually set it up into Thinkorswim, import it, very easy, just a couple steps over there. But what did I see on this one? So I saw that on the 180-day chart, I saw that 61.8% retracement was about 59.23 area, and let's look at the 1 year. So that's about the same actually. So I saw this one pulling back about 61.8% retracement and just bouncing between this range over here. So between that 59.23, about 60 to about 67, 68, and then topping out around 70 or so. So I'm looking for it to break out that range and head over to that 80, 90, 100 later on once markets sell off. But if you look at the 30-day chart on this one, what did I see? I saw a perfect bounce off of 50%, and on Friday I was looking for it to break, but it didn't, which gave me a big bulb went off, and what happened, I saw that it just died down right over there and closed out. So what do market makers love to do? They love to take out option premiums. They like to take profit on Fridays and shake out people before a big run up. That's exactly what happened over here. So using a simple Fibonacci chart and my chart that I used every single day for swing trades, day trades, investment, etc., I found that this was a solid bounce off support, and I saw this move coming. So that's why I alerted on Friday. So jumping back into the script that I normally use, what happened, my script fired by alert today after the markets open, but also I saw MACD reversal. RSI was pretty much bouncing off that 30. It didn't go into the oversold region below 30, but it was pretty sold off very quickly. So that's why I took this one over there. And what happened? We got a nice monster move on this one opened about 63, dipped a little bit, and boom, it just flew from there. Held the 9 EMA all day. I even got a breakout alert on this one. I'll show you how to set up all these charts, Fibonacci, how to put everything together to find a swing trade, day trade, or investment, how to trade options, stocks, everything in the course. So we got a nice move on that one. But the most important thing is how you get in, but also how you get out of the trade, which I'll teach you in the course as well. So I took some profits. I said if you're in from Friday, just take some profits pre-market and buy some gold bars. So I said took more profits at 2/3 around 65, 66, and I took more profits about 66 and set a trailing stop at 64. So in case I was stepping away from the computer or I got busy or something happened and it went down, it would take me out automatically, but it would also move up. So trailing stops are amazing for that. And I took all my profits around 66.8 and just a little bit at 67. So jumping back into here, I took my initial profits starting at about 65.5. So that was around here. And then I took more about 66.28. So that's right about here. So initial on the move at 10, and then I took some more around 10:45, and then what happened, it ran up to 68, and then I was looking for it to be pretty overbought over there. RSI was already in the red, it was coming back up, volume was dying down a little, but I saw volume come back in. Even though I saw the breakout alert, I saw it go to about 68, and that's it. I was done on that one. So after that, I just let this ride out, just watched it, how much it could go up, and it went all the way up to 69.15. So monster move on that one. So if you caught this at 62.45 Friday, went up to all the way about 69.15 today. So nice $6 to $7 move, almost a $7 move. So big move on this one. So hope you all caught that alert. But to join the waitlist on the course coming out, and if you want to receive the discount for when it comes out and get access immediately, head over to pinnacletrading.us. You can get there by clicking that button over there, or the link in the description, or typing it in and click on the learn more, or you can also get there by clicking that course button over there. This is the course itself. I'll go over how to invest in the stock market from basics to advanced strategies, trading, my secrets, some of my scripts. I'll show you how to set it up, and charts, and this will cut your learning curve. And also education is very important, so this will put you out there to become a confident trader and investor in the market. And you also have that VIP access that's coming soon for course members only, and live access to my private YouTube streams and lots more. So make sure to join that waitlist. Right below here, click that join waitlist button. All you have to do is enter your email and your name if you'd like, and click subscribe, and you'll be on the waitlist. You'll receive that discount, and you also receive access first before others. So again, if you like this video or found it helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell button so you can watch my videos whenever they come out instantly, get that alert, and also show some support to Pinnacle Trading by joining us on our social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Hope you all have a great trading week. Course is coming out this week before Christmas, most likely tomorrow. If you're excited, make sure to say that in the chat room and also join the waitlist. Hope you all have a great week and a great holiday, great time to spend time with friends and family.